When Honda builds a smaller dirt bike, two things they never go small on are quality and features, and that's definitely true of the CRF 125 FB. Not only is the engine the next step up from the CRF 110F, the chassis, seat height, and wheels are too. It hits that sweet spot that makes it a great choice for both young riders and smaller adults. The CRF 125 FB looks sharp on the trail, taking styling cues right from Honda's full-on motocross bikes. This bike is loaded with features designed to make trail riding a fun and no-hassle experience. An electric starter makes it easy to get going. Just turn the key, push a button, and you're ready to ride. The CRF 125 FB's dependable 4-stroke single-cylinder engine offers good performance, tuned for loads of low-end grunt, with plenty of pull through the wide power band. Perfect for a large range of riders, including beginners. The 4-speed gearbox is just like one you'd find on a full-size motorcycle, giving newer riders all the control they need while offering the perfect platform to learn proper clutch use. The front disc brakes provide superior stopping power, and the front disc rotor is drilled for lightness and better wet weather performance. Durability and quality are hallmarks of a Honda dirt bike. That's why the CRF 125 FB uses a strong steel frame that's built to handle the bumps and dings that come with off-road riding. The ProLink rear suspension with progressive linkage connects a single heavy-duty show of shock to the swing arm, delivering an excellent combination of spring and damping rates over a wide range of riding conditions. It's this combination of superior brakes, sturdy frame, and upgraded suspension that gives this bike its enhanced performance and provides confident handling and stopping. One thing all riders want is to spend more time twisting a throttle than twisting a wrench. The CRF 125 FB is designed with simplified maintenance as a key feature. The use of a closed crankcase vent system safeguards against engine oil contamination. A maintenance-free sealed battery helps ensure that your CRF 125 FB is ready to ride when you are. With the tough plastic used in areas like the fenders and the tank, the CRF 125 FB is engineered to shrug off the minor dings that are bound to happen in real riding situations. So, while the CRF 125 FB may be considered smaller in size, its features and qualities truly are substantial. To find out more about the CRF 125 FB and the entire lineup of Honda dirt bikes, visit your local Honda motorcycle dealer or honda.ca.